Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing the grade 5 lesson 3 YLOC math worksheet. Put your name at the top, date your paper, and let's begin. Write either greater than, less than, or equal to for each underline. For example, 413 equals 413. We know that 23 is greater than 19, and the open end of the greater than or less than symbols always face the greater number. So we can say here 23 is greater than 19. Second, we have 519 and 520. We know that 520 is greater than 519, so we make it so that the open end of the symbol faces towards the larger number. Again, 84 and 85. 85 is greater than 84. The open end faces 85. 96, 87. Open end faces 96. 61 and 51. We know that 61 is greater than 51. If you need to, you can draw this out. You can tell that 61 is greater than 51. Therefore, the symbol faces 61. 11, 11. They're the same number. So you would write equals 10 to the third power and 10 to the fifth power. We know that the larger the exponent is, the larger the number is in the case of positive numbers. So we can say that 10 to the fifth power is greater than 10 to the third power, or 10 to the third power is less than 10 to the fifth power. 10 to the fourth power and 10,000. 10 to the fourth power is 1,000, but it has 4 zeros. Therefore, these two would be equal. Write each set of numbers in the order of greatest to least. Example, 413, 414, 412. 412 would go first, 413 would go second, 414 would go last, because that's the order of the least to greatest numbers. We can do that here. 9, 5, 10, and 8. Make sure to read the entire question first. 5 is the smallest number. The second smallest number is 8. Then 9. Lastly, 10, because that's the greatest number. So here, greatest to least. Remember to read the question correctly. 10, then 9, then 8, then 5. Because 10 is the greatest number, 5 is the least number. Number 2, 12, 63, 16, 72. 72 is largest, 63 is next, 16, and finally 12. 5, 8, 3, 9. The largest number here is 9, then it's 8, then 5, then 3. 18, 35, 40, 81. Largest number is 81. Second largest number would be 40. Third largest number would be 35. Fourth largest number would be 18. And that's all four numbers. Write each set of numbers in the order of least to greatest. The least number here is obviously 1. Second least number is 5, 6, and then 8. Least number here is 20. Then it would be 86, because 86 is less than 96 and 95. Then 95, then 96. Here, 8, 7, 9, 10. Smallest number is 7. Then it would be 8, then 9, then 10. 53, 20, 50, 41. So the smallest number here would be 20, then 41, then 50, then 53. Find if each set of numbers are from greatest to least, least to greatest, or neither. So we can tell here 4, 3, then 1. 1 is least, 4 is most, and this is greatest number to the least number. 1, 5, 7, 11. The numbers are only growing, so the answer to this one would be that the numbers are going from least to greatest. second, 53, 52, 41, 19. 53 is the largest number, and it goes down progressively. So this will be greatest to least. 291, 561, 592, 493. This will be neither, because it starts with the lowest number, then goes up, but then goes back down. Lastly, we have 10 to the 8th, 10 to the 7th, 10 to the 2nd, and 15, which will be greatest to least, because the numbers decrease as the exponents decrease. Round to the place of the underlined digit. So you guys know that if the number is 4 or below, you round down. If the number is 5 or above, you would round up. 91 is below 4, so the answer will be 90. 1. Because the underlined digit here is the ones place. And if we round to the ones, since this imaginary number here, the decimal point, will be 0, you round to the same place. Same spot, number will not change. Therefore, it's 91. Number 2, we're rounding to the hundreds place. The answer here would be, this is not number 2. Number 2, rounding to the hundreds place. We can see that the 9 is greater than 5, so we would write 600 because 1 gets added to 5. Number 3, rounding to the tens place. 4 is equal to 4, which means we round down. 420 will be your answer. Number 4, 7, 1, 5, 3. We're rounding to the hundreds place. 5 is equal to 5, so the answer will be 7,200. Number 5, 34,115. We're rounding to the hundreds place, and since 1 here in the tens place is less than 4, the answer will be 34,100, because we round all the numbers down. Lastly, 2,526,000. We're rounding to the hundred thousands place. 2 is less than 4, so we round down. The answer will be 2,500,000. Lastly, we have to solve each word problem. The graph above shows the top 5 1984 Olympic results for the 100-meter men's swimming race. Using the graph, order the names from the fastest to slowest times. So first, let's go through the graph, read all of the times off here. We can see that without even reading the decimal points, in the whole numbers, 55 is the lowest whole number. So we would put 55 as the fastest time, 55.790. The second fastest time, 59.790 by Carey, because we're putting the names. The second fastest time would be by Wilson, because if you look at the decimal points, it's the lowest decimal point out of any number with 56 as its whole number. Therefore, Wilson. Number 3, we would have West, because 0.490 is less than 0.9. Number 4, 0.9, because 56 is less than 57. Hurrying. Lastly, we have Carey by process of elimination. The bronze medal is awarded to the person in third place. Who is the bronze medal awarded to? We can see we have a little chart here. Third place is right in the middle, so it will never change, no matter if we change from fastest to slowest or slowest to fastest. Therefore, the bronze medal is going to be awarded to West. Lastly, what is the time difference between the first place and fourth place swimmers? The first place swimmer is Carey, fourth place Hurrying. Carey's time was 55.790, and Hurrying's time was 56.900. All you need to do is subtract the times. 0, take 1, 1. This is now 8, so it's 1. 1, put a period there, and our final answer would be 1.110. We don't need the 0, and we say 1.11 seconds. That's all. Thank you for watching.